Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and happy bonfire night. And to celebrate bonfire night, I'm going to be trying pop and candy and these mini bonfire logs by Cadbury's. So let's get into trying. So I'm going to be trying these first, the bonfire logs, because it says it's honeycomb flavoured. So it's like, I think the centre is honeycomb flavoured. So I'm going to be doing that. Oh. So you get 5 in a packet, and this is what they all look like. They say bonfire log on it. The smell is actually really strong for some reason, but right, so this is what it looks like. This is how big it is. So let's try. Ooh, have I got a broken one? No, it's a bit melted. Oh, it's a bit melted though. Oh, right. This is what it looks like. It has like, it's like a log sort of shape, but let's try it. Mmm. That is really good. You can definitely taste the honeycomb, which I really do love about that. And these are actually really good. These are probably worth the money, I think. So next we're going to be trying pop and candy. So we got 2 Tango pop and candy, and then we've got Poundland pop and candy. And in the Poundland pack, you get orange, cola, tutti frutti, and strawberry. So I'll be trying the Tangos on first. So I'm going to be trying the Tango, orange, shock rocks, pop and candy, and lollipop. And I actually didn't know there was a lollipop in it. There's a lollipop as well, not just pop and candy. Ooh. So this is what the lollipop looks like. It's like a thumbs up. I think you should give this video a thumbs up as well. See what I did there? So the lolly tastes very orangey. So we're obviously gonna dip it in there. Gotta get it all the, not all of it, but like you gotta get some on there. So I don't know if you guys can hear it, but it's popping. Right, let's go. Ooh! You can definitely taste the orange. Oh. You can you can definitely taste the orange, which I love that. And I like the cute little packaging because it looks like a can as well. I love that. So next is the Tango apple one, and I can't wait to try this as well. It's probably going to be the same one but in a different colour. Look. So this is the same one. Don't really taste appley. So squeeze. Oh, that is a lot of pop and candy. I love pop and candy. Right, let's try it. Right. The pop and candy tastes like apple, but the lollipop don't. And it says on the back, green apple flavoured lollipop. Well, the lollipop is apple flavoured. It's literally just a pop and candy. That's kind of a downside. But now we're going to be trying the cheap. Well, they're all cheap, but this is like from Poundland, and it was literally only £1. So let's open it. I think you get like 8-pack big value, and it's just like I think you get, oh, so like these, if you have a size comparison, these are like actual like branded, but these really ain't branded. I think it's just like what they sell, but like this don't have a lollipop in it, it just has popping candy. So in this pack you get, I think, 2 cola. Get 2 cola, guys. You get 2 Tutti Frutti, and then you get 2 orange, and then you get 2 strawberry. I'll be trying 1 pack of each flavour. So we're going to start with cola. I love the little man on the front. It's like a little clown, like a cartoon clown. But I'm like scared of clowns at the same time. Don't make sense, guys. But it sparks pop and candy. This is clear, but you can definitely smell the cola. It's more stronger smell than the Tango ones, which I like about these. So let's try. You can definitely taste the cola, which I love about that. And it's like really nice. It's like a really nice strong cola taste. I love about that. Next is Tutti Frutti. I'm not really a Tutti Frutti fan. I think that's my mum. She loves Tutti Frutti, I think. But I'm not really a Tutti Frutti fan. Like, I just don't see the fascination in Tutti Frutti. But it's literally the same colour, and it just smells of Tutti Frutti. So let's see if it tastes like Tutti Frutti. Good. Oh my god. That definitely tastes like Tutti Frutti. Oh, that's good. That is actually really good. Next, we're going to be trying the orange popping candy. So I can kind of compare these two, like branded versus non-branded. Like, I want to see which one is better. Like, you couldn't really taste the orange in the popping candy in this one, but I want to see if I can taste more of a stronger orange taste, because that's what I'm here for. Taste different things for you guys. See what I would recommend. Oh, okay. It's like an orange Fanta sort of smell. Let's. Hold on. This is more oranger. This is the hit of orange you need. Like, it's a more stronger orange flavour, and you can definitely say, oh, this is orange flavoured, because you can taste it. The Tango one kind of let me down there, but I feel like the off-branded or the cheaper ones is probably better than the actual Tango branded ones, because it's a stronger taste, orange taste. So next we got strawberry, and even if you have like, even if you give like, have like one like every 2 weeks, you'll literally have loads more left. Like, it's quite a good pack for £1. Like, I think it's like cute for like little birthday party bags or something like that. But this is strawberry. It definitely tastes of strawberry. It definitely smells of strawberries. It's like eating an actual strawberry. That is good. So out of the popping candies, I would say the off-branded is better than the Tango ones. I think that, but people have different tastes. But yeah, I think that, and this is my honest thing about it. And these bonfire logs are, oh, they were delicious. But guys, that's the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out my other videos.